Let me show you what the top creators are really doing. They're not just posting content, they're building revenue funnels using personal brand plus video. And these 10 are leading the game. Top 10 creator funnels. Alex Hormozi, 1 million plus subs. Acquisition.com, 8-figure deal flow. Dan Martell, 400k subs, coaching funnel, 7-figure SaaS playbook revenue. Jesse Coughlin, 500k plus social, finance opt-in funnel, high ticket backend. Erika Kullberg, 2.1 million subs, legal products plus affiliate tools, multi 7-figure engine. Iman Gadzhi, 3 million subs, agency launch mentorship, $30 million lifetime revenue. Abdaal, 4.6 million subs, affiliate plus course ecosystem, $3 million plus per year. Noel Randall, 600k subs, real estate funding funnel, 7-figure program. Mark Tilbury, 2.5 million subs, newsletter plus affiliate machine, 500k plus per month. Jaspreet Singh, 2.4 million subs, market briefs newsletter, 7 to 8-figure brand. Vanessa Lau, 700k subs, free lead magnet, course funnel. They all do the same thing. Post value, build trust, send traffic to one clear offer. But here's the twist. They do it with studios, editors, teams, budgets, and you. You don't need any of that because in 2025, AI levels the playing field. We built the same model with zero filming and generated 1,000 plus leads in just 60 days. Let me show you how. Part 1, the funnel they're all using. And when you strip away the aesthetics, this is the exact framework every top creator is using. Teach something valuable, build trust with consistent content, add one clear CTA, free tool, call, course, quiz, repeat weekly in short plus long form. It's authority building disguised as content. They're building digital trust and then closing sales off the back of it. This is what we call the authority channel funnel. Part 2, why AI makes this available to everyone now. In the past, you needed a camera, studio mics, editors, script writers, thousands in production budget. But today, AI can do it all in hours, not weeks. With AI, you can now clone your voice plus face or go completely faceless. Script videos in your tone fast, automatically generate and edit videos, publish content with your call to action, drive traffic to your offer without touching a camera. It's the same funnel, now accessible to anyone. Part 3, how we did it at Authority Videos, 1,000 plus leads in 60 days. Here's how we built our own AI-powered channel funnel and pulled in over 1,000 qualified leads in just 60 days. Step 1, cloned myself using AI. Created an avatar with my voice and tone. No filming, no retakes, just upload and go. Step 2, picked our niche, teaching people how to create viral, creative YouTube videos using AI without filming, editing, or a team. Step 3, built the how-to lesson engine. Each video was a step-by-step tutorial showing how to create viral AI videos using tools like ChatGPT, CapCut, Kyber, and others. We made the process simple, breakdowns, walkthroughs, templates. Step 4, used our authority voice framework to script every video. Hook, teach, shortcut, CTA. Example, here's how to build a faceless viral short, or click here to get a done-for-you version. Step 5, linked every video to one simple CTA. Book your strategy session or launch your funnel in one click. Step 6, post it weekly to YouTube, plus LinkedIn, plus Reels. Repurposed videos into 3 to 5 pieces of content. Drove all traffic to one offer. The result, 1,000 plus leads. No filming, no ad spend. Just AI-powered content that looked like entertainment, but converted like a funnel. Part 4, who this works for. If you're in coaching, finance, legal, education, consulting, any service business, you can build this too. Weekly content, no filming, one offer, consistent growth. You don't need to be a creator, you just need to show up with the right content system. Part 5, want your authority channel, funnel built for you. At Authority Videos, we build complete channel systems that clone you or keep it faceless, script plus produce. Weekly short plus long form content, tie every video to your core offer, publish and optimize across YouTube, LinkedIn, Shorts and more, all launched in 7 days or less using AI. book your free 30-minute strategy session. We'll show you what your funnel could look like, how we'd create your AI video persona, and how to turn content into qualified leads without filming anything. I'm Anu Cool from Authority Videos, and around here, it's cool when your content builds trust, drives leads, and grows your business, even if you never press record.